Maintaining plain old telephone service lines can cost up to $240 per line monthly. But with OneCloud, you can save over 300% on telecommunications costs. Introducing the OneCloud POTS replacement solution, your key to a seamless transition from analog to cloud. A comprehensive solution includes an analog to digital adapter, cellular connection, and battery backup. Avoid ballooning costs for common POTS line applications like elevator call boxes, fax machines, point-of-sale systems, building intercoms, security alarm panels, fire alarm panels, and more. Our solution offers guaranteed compatibility with legacy systems, improved reliability over traditional copper POTS lines, business connectivity during network outages, and an online status and management portal. OneCloud is also HIPAA and PCI compliant, ensuring security for medical, pharmacy, insurance, and financial transactions. Integrate your analog devices into a digital system with OneCloud POTS replacement, a comprehensive cellular solution for as little as $30 per month. Reinvent your telecommunications with OneCloud POTS replacement solution. Contact an expert today and step into the future of connectivity.